Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. We'll be talking about Cloudways hosting today. So Cloudways is a web hosting company that came up pretty recently, and they are growing very fast. It's a very flexible system. In a way, you can control whatever resources you want. Mostly, it's not like other hosting services where you have a limitation of the system. It's basically not just exactly as another shared hosting company. Okay, so this is where you get to own your servers in a sense. So you pay for, there are different ways you can pay it for, which is hourly or monthly. So if you have known across some other bigger players, which are like Amazon services or maybe Google services or Microsoft services, you will see the pay per hour or pay per usage is one of their thing. And Cloudways is also into that stream now, and you can see it can give you a lot of flexibility between which cloud services or servers you wanted to use them, right, in the backend. So you can see DigitalOcean data centers. You can select your data centers wherever you want, and you can basically figure out which one is the less costlier for you. If you're thinking about or planning to go for pay per hour, this is because RD is something that I have set up. So if I go to monthly, obviously you'll have more detail about it, so like more payment methods. And the way it works on hourly is you will only be paying for those many hours for which you have been using the system. So let's say in a month there are 100 hours, your usage is for 100 hours, so you pay only for that 100 hours. For some reason, if you wanted to discontinue for, let's say, 50 days out of that 100 hours, or 50 hours out of that 100 hours, so you'll be paying only for 50 hours, but the server is still with you, that is not getting released. So all you do is shut down your machines, and you'll not have to pay for entire 100 hours. So you'll be paying for only the hours that you are using that system for. Okay. So that way it's pretty much cheaper, and you control what goes into there. So just to start with, if you look at, let's go ahead with monthly, and if I select DigitalOcean, by the way, DigitalOcean is also a pretty good service provider in terms of servers, and I personally have used it. It's pretty easy to use. Yeah, easy to use for a technical guy, but maybe it is a little bit of a struggle initially for somebody who doesn't know about all these things. But once you know it, I'm sure you'll like it as well. And I'll compare Cloudways with another service provider which is well known as well, which is Bluehosting. So I have done my research on both of them, and in a long term, Cloudways is the one that gives you more value for your money. And you will see what else is considered or used in this, right? So you will get 1 GB of RAM, 1 core processor, storage is 25 GB, bandwidth is enough for any startup business or those kind of systems, and this comes with a free SSL. And if you know what is SSL, you know how much importance this one particular thing has to your business. So if you have a SSL certificate on your system, that is more that is going to get more traffic, and it is going to score higher on Google ranks as well. It may be any other search engines, maybe Google, maybe Bing, whatever you get. So you will find that the ranking is better when you use SSL, and that is a kind of your attraction toward your audience as well. So if your audience see this SSL onto your website, they are more likely to proceed ahead with it. Okay, so CDN add-on is also a plus, because this will reduce your website or web application, whatever you are hosting there, it will reduce the time, the connection time. Okay, so they include also a free migration. You can host unlimited applications on this, and specifically if you have a CRM, let's say, and you have a time management system, you have a project management system, and you can combine all of them into one application system. You don't have to maintain different servers for all these applications. Okay, so you can manage your teams under that. You can invite your developers to handle your work for your web servers or whatever it is. Then 24/7 real-time monitoring, so you can look at your logs, seeing who is getting access to the systems, how people are using it, and all that stuff, fun stuff, which I'm sure you don't want to do all the time, but there will be a time when you need them. Right? It gives you more control. Automated backups is another advantage. Suppose someday your system is getting hacked, and you know that for some time that once your website is getting hacked, it's pretty difficult to get it back online, right? To avoid that, automated backups will help you in a way. Anytime your system is hacked, you can always go back in time and restore that. Okay, so you can also get a staging environment. I'll create a video where I'll walk you through each of these steps, how to create an application, how to use a staging environment for that, and all that stuff. Just keep following this channel, and as and when I'm publishing those videos, you'll get notified on that. And optimized with advanced cache. If you know about cache is something that will increase your speed of delivery of your website or web content pretty much like around 40 to 50%. Okay, so if your site is without the cache, it takes let's say 5 seconds to load, but if you have a cache enabled for that, it might take just 2 seconds or 3 seconds, like that. So it will reduce your time of loading that page, which in turn gives you an edge while you are doing your SSO. So your SEO, I talked about SSO, but I was actually meant for SEO. So search engine optimization is one that is getting helped by this. So auto healing is again another feature where your system gets hacked, it will try to auto heal itself. So you will be also getting your regular security patches for the operating system that you have. Okay, and obviously with any other systems, any other hosting provider, you will get your SSH and SFTP access as well. So these are pretty good system, and if you are paying just $12 per month, I would say it's a very great deal than other systems. Okay, and we are talking about a premium. So if you go to standard, that's also there, but it's a limited like little bit of smaller systems. So the difference between these two are the kind of support that you'll get. Okay, so you can choose either $12 per month or go for $10 per month, or you can go to hourly rate. So you see, this is something that will be pretty cheap. And if you are starting with any kind of system, these systems, I'll advise you to go ahead and sign it up so that you can switch it off anytime that you think that that's not going to work. Yeah, so you don't have to intentionally pay for the entire month if you're not going to use it. So if you are starting, just use it for a week or two, figure it out how it's working or not, and then you can go ahead and terminate that system, or you can keep it if it is working with you, right? And the great deal is now you are getting 40% off for next 4 months. So whenever if you sign between now and December 1st 2021, you will get 40% off. Just follow the link in my in this page and you'll get that code. Okay, so that's it for now. I'll be back with some more videos. Subscribe to this channel, so that you are notified as and when I am publishing content, and you are good to go. Thanks for watching. Bye.